What's up, you guys? I came to do this look today, and I'm going to be working from the Riviera palette. First, I already have on moisturizer, sunscreen, and primer, so I'm just brushing my brows up so I can use the a wax to keep them, in place all day. So that's just what you see me doing here. And so, of course, I filled them in using Kat Von D's eyebrow powder, and I'm going to clean them up, the usual for the brows, and that's it. So then I'm just cleaning them up. I use foundation to clean up the top. And the foundation that I'm using is Makeup Forever Matte. I don't have it over here with me, but it's the new Makeup Forever foundation. So that's what I'm applying to my skin for today. And I'm just using a dry beauty blender to bounce it around on my face. So for my contour, I'm using the Fenty contour sticks, and that's just about it. I'm going to put it in. So starting with the Riviera palette, I'm going into Palm, and I'm just going to put that in my crease, and that's going to be the color that I use for my crease, period. I'm just going to use it and make it darker. It's the same color. I just, piled it up a couple of layers just to make it that color. So for to highlight my brow bone, I'm using Cells, which is a white color, to highlight my brow bone. And on my lid, I'm using Mediterranean with my finger because I found it went on smoother that way. And I'm just blending my crease out, to blend that color out. And I'm using the same brush that I started with. Now I'm going to go back in here and go in Canes, and well, I guess this Canes or whatever it is. It's a purple color, and I'm just putting it in between the Mediterranean and the Palm so I can blend the colors and it look, more a smoother transaction like this among the transition, y'all. I ain't did videos in so long. I done got real rusty, but anywho, I'm using Born This Way concealer. That's what I use, multiple sculpting concealer for my highlight, and I'm just dusting it off with some of the Sephora powder, which the micro finishing powder, I think that's what it's called, which I really like it. And so to contour with, I'm using a powder contour. I'm using Cocoa Naughty from Fenty. And I really like those contours. I really, really do. So I will be repurchasing that. And I'm just doing the same combo under my lower lash line that I did on my lid. And so I'm going in this Bobbi Brown Berry blush. And I'm going to be using that as my blush for today. And I'm going to use my Becca highlighter. And the color is opal. So I use that to highlight. And for the liner, that's a Kat Von D. I think that's one of her new liners. And the Fenty lipstick, I can't remember the color of it. But, I decided to come show you guys and, let this be my first video. And hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you later.